Here in beautiful West Wales, we grow the best produce in the world. Potatoes nourished by the rich soil and perfect weather pursue excellence and vie to be the best in show. Tomi Taten's dreaming big. It's not often a potato gets to go to the Royal Welsh in Builth Wells. But it looks like Tomi has been spending too much time topping up his tan. The bus to the Royal Welsh Show has left, and his mates don't seem to have missed him. You're too late, Tomi. FOMO, the worst feeling in the world. This is not what he's been born for, to be left, to grow old. Packing his best peat-free manure in his bindle, Tomi decides to make it on his own. It's a perilous journey for a small potato. Everything is so big, and it's such a long journey. But Tomi's made it! From field to fork, he's determined to be part of Wales's thriving food and drink scene. Will you step up to the plate like Tomi and make your dream a reality? To learn more about a career in the Welsh food and drink industry, visit the Food and Drink Careers Hub at the Clwyd Glamorgan building this Royal Welsh Show.